Do you want to know how to promote ClickBank products on Facebook without a website? I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys a simple and easy to use method, 3 actually, that you can actually use starting today to start raking in the ClickBank profits. What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another video. Currently here in Berlin, Germany. We're gonna step behind the laptop in a second, but before we do, if this is your first time coming across my beautiful light-skinned face, I'm a serial digital entrepreneur and I create content on the daily to teach you how to live your best life through internet marketing, making money online, so that way you guys can travel the world. And if you guys like that type of stuff, hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell to get notified every time we drop some new content, and join the Wolves family. And with that being said, I actually have a gift for you guys. You would click the first link in the description, just grab the gift, right? But let's step behind the laptop. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into the content. What I'm gonna do, guys, is show you guys 3 different methods that you guys can use starting today to start generating an income and leveraging Facebook as a platform to make money with ClickBank products. So let's just get right into it. Number 1 is Facebook groups, right? So here's an example of a Facebook group that I'm a part of, Affiliate Marketing Worldwide. And basically the amount of members that it has is 130,000 members, right? Now let's take a look at something. Where would I go for this? We would go to the marketplace and e-business and e-marketing, right? What I'll do is I'll find an offer that converts very well, and once I find one that converts very well, and that's going to go ahead and pay me a decent amount of money by doing your own diligence, doing your own research, then what you could do is you could create creative posts that could get people engaged to redirect them to your link, right? So an example, guys, this person dropped a link, right? So no idea who they are, but what business are you in? Have a Facebook page or website, post your links here, get leads, and enter our $3,000 contest throughout the year, right? Now basically, guys, they had 253 likes, 402 comments, and 26 shares. Why they got so many shares, I have no idea. But what happens is what they did is they did an algorithm hack in this Facebook group. They literally created a post with an incentive and they dropped their link. So what happened is this 402 comments basically boost their post to the top of the Facebook group, and it got people to actually engage with their post, which is going to drive traffic to their link, right? So you don't need a website to do this. You could simply either direct link, you could use like bit.ly and direct link to your actual offer. Or what I would recommend is using a sales funnel, so that way you can actually capture those leads, follow up with those leads. First thing in the description, you can grab access to the copy paste profit funnel. Number 2 is, or not number 2, but another way, guys, is being different from all these other freaking people in these Facebook groups. Now, guys, I'm showing you specifically e-business and e-marketing niche, but there's the same thing with weight loss, right? Majority of these people are just trying to promote shit. So what are you going to do that's going to go ahead and allow you to stand out, right? Look, 1 like, 12 comments. They're not standing out. They're not standing out. This person has 72 comments, right? So they're actually standing out. But you need to do something that's going to set yourself apart. They got 64 comments by showing an income screenshot with whatever this is. But guys, the best way that I've realized to stand out in these Facebook groups is to become an authority by providing value within your niche, right? So an example is literally what you can start doing is going on YouTube and downloading the YouTube videos and actually uploading them to the Facebook group that's providing practical value, and say, hey, this video gave me insight, blah, 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 blah. And then at the end of and then what you can do is actually edit the video or something along those lines and have a call to action with your link on it or something along those lines. Just being creative and actually getting people to engage with your concept, become an authority, become a regular poster. So that way people know, like, and trust you, so they're more likely to actually buy what you're selling. Number 2, is influencer marketing, right? So I found this person. If I was to go to the weight loss niche, right? If I was to go to marketplace and I was to go to where are we at? Health and fitness, and I was to find an offer that converts. How can I get people targeted traffic to this, right? One way is reaching out to influencers, right? So I found this Facebook fan page. Guys, the way to do this, I'll actually show you on my regular Facebook, is if I was to go to home and if I was to go to search, well, I'll do weight loss, right? If I was to go to pages for weight loss, you can literally find all these people, see how many people have the most pages. Then once I see who has the most likes and engagements on their page, then I'm going to go ahead and actually look at their page. And then once I look at them, it's going to show how many followers. These people have over 400,000 followers, and they get engagement on the right post, right? So the objective with these type of things is you want to go ahead and say, hey, I'll pay you for a post, but you want to go ahead and actually get the right type of post. So if you notice, training with your partner, workout with Talia, Henchos, and Jamie Beth, they have this post, and this post got 81 shares, right? So they just shared this post, right? But imagine if you drop a post like this on their actual page and they posted it, right? A video with like 3 tips to losing weight or something along those lines, then having a call to action to your link, right? To your funnel. So this is one way. You could have a motivational post. You can have something practical, but a lot of these get shares and engagement. What's going to happen is if you get the right post, your post can go viral. And if you have your link with it, it can drive a ridiculous amount of traffic. Here's like a blog post, right? So you can literally have a blog post, but we're stating how to make money without a website. So you, instead of having a blog post, you can have your funnel. And then 19 shares, 8 essential core exercises. So instead of actually, what I'd be able to do is literally go to this, and it's basically, I could literally swipe these, and I could create a, well, not really, but instead of having the actual pictures, I could literally go like this, copy, paste, and I could make a Facebook post of the 8 essential core things, and I could have maybe like an infographic of 8 different website or 8 different workouts. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. And then I could literally have them in the description, and at the end of the description, once these people have gained value, said if you want to know the perfect diet that goes along with it, with these 8 things, these 8 workouts, and then I would go ahead and drop my link to the diet or the link that I'm trying to promote for my ClickBank diet. Like, let's just say if I was doing Organifi or something along that lines. And then last but not least, guys, the king of all of these, the one that makes the most money, the absolute most money, would be dear old Facebook ads. And you simply go ahead and click this right here, and then you're gonna go ahead and create a page. Once you create a fan page within the specific niche, then you'll be able to actually run ads. And the way you want to run ads is you don't want to run ads directly to your actual links, right? So what happens is Facebook will shut your ad account down so fucking fast if you go ahead and actually promote this products, create, and then you're running Facebook ads directly to this link. Now, if you guys want to know about Facebook ads, I have Facebook ads tutorials, right? I actually leave one within the description. Or if not in the description, because sometimes I forget when I say shit like that, you'll be able to get access to my Facebook ads simply by going to just like browse down my YouTube videos. I have Facebook ads for ClickBank, right? And what you want to do is I'd highly recommend either driving traffic, if I was doing weight loss, to a sales funnel, right? You can grab access to the copy paste profit funnel down below, grab access to a free funnel plus a free training to learn how to create your own funnels. Or, right, you can drive traffic to something called a pre-sale page, aka an advertorial, which looks more like an article, and basically a Acai Berry Diet Exposed Miracle Diet. Basically what's going to happen is they're going to read through this article, so it looks less scammy on Facebook and it looks more legitimate. And what's going to happen is you have your calls to actions throughout your actual video, which is your affiliate link. So Acai Lean Spa, that's an affiliate link for some Acai Berry Diet, and it might be it might be a ClickBank product, right? So it's called an advertorial. Do your research. Advertorials, pre-sale pages. You basically drive traffic to this article, and you get people to click. You want it to have a high click-through rate, and then once people click through and they click your link, it brings them to your page. But that is kind of having a website, but the cool thing is that you can actually create advertorials with ClickFunnels, which if you click the first thing in the description, you grab access to the free training, you could actually also get access to a free trial with ClickFunnels, which is not a website, right? So those are 3 methods that you guys can leverage without a website to generate an income with ClickBank products with Facebook, right? So if you guys want to leverage your Facebook to make money, instead of looking at your newsfeed and look at what dumb people are posting, you can go ahead and actually leverage this platform to make an income.